Yes, Liney Dam's back in the house, guys, but something completely different. And I did take a stroll around town, and I went to Argos base in the UK, and I saw this bad boy phone that was under 10 UK pounds, and I just gotta say, it's the world's cheapest smartphone ever. And when I looked in the Argos catalogue, I thought I'd just buy this thing and just make a video of me unboxing this thing. But I just gotta say, I'm really amazed with the specs that I've come across with it. And let's just see how this phone performs, guys. And you were all probably thinking, not clickbait, to be honest, anyways. So let's get right into the unboxing, guys. Peace. Right, so we're back on my duvet bed set. Right again, guys, just unboxing this. So let's see. In fact, where do I even begin with this thing, guys? Let's see what the specs on this has got. It's the Vodafone SmartFirst 7. It's got the charger, the data cable, the headset, the quick start guide, and the safety warranty information. But look at the specs on here. It's Android 5.1. It's got a 3.5 inch screen, 2 megapixel camera, 1400 milliamp battery, quad core processor. Oh my god, 21 megabytes per second, 3G, 4 gigabytes internal storage, and GPS as well. And this is the bad boy that is shown on the box itself. So where do I even open this, guys? Okay, let's just get this thing off. I don't even need to use the knife. Okay, right then. So we've got the SIM card here, the £10 one, and in here we got the phone itself. And look at that, it's nicely presented, and it's got a nice feel to it. It actually does feel nice. And if we take this off, okay, where do I even begin? It's such a struggle to get this bloody cover off, guys. There's the SD card slot and the SIM card slot as well. As you all know, it takes standard SIM card. Let's toss that to the side if we can. And then underneath here, we got the, I'm not sure if this the, it's the get started guide. I like how it comes in the concertina design. Wow. Open, insert. I don't mean to be rude. And you've got close, charge, and start. Right. Turn over for information about using the new phone. It's cheap. It's under freaking £10. Unlock using your phone. Oh my days. Yay. And then what we got here is the safety and warranty information for this thing. And I've just dropped a wrapper on the floor. Yeah. And this one's the battery here. Yeah. Okay. I can't even open it. It's a bit of a struggle. My god. Okay. Right, that's it. That's the battery out. And then we got the... Okay, what kind of headphones is this? These look like a very, very cheap pair of headphones. It's like ones you get from the pound shop, and it's got a microphone built on it as well. But that's about it. And then we got the charger that plugs into the wall, and we got the micro USB cable as well. Okay, right, so then let's get this battery in then, see how this thing performs. Right, so we're gonna take the SIM card out. Okay, right, let's just into it then, shall we? Right, so that's the SIM card, the Vodafone SIM card. Okay, let's put this in, shall we? Okay, right, that's it. Let's pop this thing out. Okay, so it's got 3 different sizes in already. My god, when was the last time I've actually popped out a SIM card? It's unbelievable. So if you look at this, you've got standard, mini, and micro, and even nano as well. Right, that's about it. Which way does it go in? It goes in that way. Oh god. Right, is it... I think it's micro SIM. It's definitely micro SIM that goes in there. Yeah, that's more like it. Looking like that, indeed. I thought it was standard SIM. Sorry guys, I was a bit wrong. Right, so now we got the battery and the SIM in. So let's turn this over. So let's power this thing up, shall we? Okay. Right then. Powered by Android. Right. Okay then. Oh, it's got a nice start up splash screen. Okay. Looks like it's very, very responsive indeed. So Android is literally getting started right away. Welcome. Yeah, that's all I got. Let's see how this thing performs then. Right, select Wi-Fi network. I'm gonna skip that. Right then. Adjust date and time if needed. More. Right, I'm gonna leave that. Keep at that. Right, so I'm just gonna call myself Rough Fusion. Okay. When was the last time I've actually used a tiny phone like this? Right, the last name is Fusion. Yep, I'm gonna call it as that. Yeah, that will do. Let's go on to next. No, I don't want to skip Google services. No, let's go on to next. Right, we just want to get onto the home screen. Simple home screen, shall we? Select this home screen if you would like more simplified and intuitive home screen experience. Let's go on next. Help tips. We've added some help tips to your new Vodafone smart device. No. I'm not a Vodafone guy. I'm not a Vodafone fan, but it's just I wanted to buy this phone because the price is unbelievable. It's so cheap. But even looking at this, the performance and the response on this is absolutely outstanding. Okay, so this is the actual home screen. That's your camera. Right, okay. Mind you, the camera is absolutely slow. But if you look at it, it's so laggy indeed. Right, let's go back. Hold on, the vibration is actually powerful. Let's go on to the menu itself. It even shows you how to get into the menu. Okay, something's just come in. It looks like you swapped your SIM or updated your software. If you want to continue using data, please update your APN settings. Okay, right. So you got the basic apps on here like Gmail, Google Hangouts. What else is next? You got the Vodafone apps itself. Just like I said, mind you guys, it's a Vodafone branded phone. But anyway, as you look on here, I'm not too keen on the storage space because as I powered up the phone, most of it is used by the operating system itself, and this is what gives you user space. So you got 1.52 gigabytes absolutely free. And if you look on here, the Android system is 2.03 gigabytes and your app data is 422 megabytes. Yeah, and I'm not sure if you can actually switch over to SD card if you want the apps to be installed on there, but I'm sure you can do it on this. I don't know, but I'll give it a try and I will make another video based on this phone. But just gotta say, thank you guys for watching, and this is one of the world's cheapest smartphones that I've ever bought. And I just gotta say, peace out guys. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so don't miss a thing. Take care.